3/10 x equals 1 2/5. This is a one-step multiplication equation. My goal is to find the value of this variable, to isolate it, to get it by itself. 3/10 is being multiplied to x. Now, normally I would use the inverse operation of multiplication, which is division, but when we're dividing and fractions are involved, we end up multiplying by the reciprocal. So let's do that right away here. Let's multiply both sides by the reciprocal of 3/10, which is 10/3. Now we know when we multiply by a reciprocal, so this part of my expression right here, we know that that is going to give us 1. So on the left side, we would have 1x, which we can just write as x. And on the right side, we have 1 2/5 times 10/3. Let's go ahead and let's do the Texas to change our first term into an improper fraction. 5 times 1 is 5, plus 2 is 7. So 7/5 times 10/3. And now I'm going to simplify before I multiply. I know that 5 and 10 share a factor, it's 5. So when I divide, those are the new denominator and numerator that I'm going to get. I'm left with x equals 14/3. And I'm going to just double check that it's simplified. My numerator and denominator don't share a factor outside of 1. And I'm going to leave it as an improper fraction because this is not a real world problem.